Hello everyone, it's Cole Boone. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to go over a very interesting subject I haven't seen covered before. That is, tape measures always have a high visibility yellow with the black numbers. What I'm going to show you today is the only method of obtaining a flat scale steel ruler that it has yellow with black numbers. So let's get started. Historically, this has been the industry standard. High visibility yellow with clear black markings. Almost every tape measure has this same color combination. Now when you look at straight steel scales, for example, this one's pretty common. It's chrome plated and it has black numbers, but under bright light you can't read it very easy. Here's one that is black with white numbers, and all the individual markings are just too difficult to read, especially in bright light. When comparing the two, it's obvious which ones any normal human being would prefer. It would be this here. So I've got a method of making one from a square. This is from Eastern Europe. These are popular, and they're on Amazon. I will leave a link so that you can get the correct one. These aren't very popular. You probably haven't seen these before. The complaint I continually see on Amazon reviews for this item is that this yellow scale is riveted into this aluminum body just a bit too far. If you take a look at the 1-inch hash mark, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's just a little bit off. Now, for some people, that may not make a big difference. But if you want something accurate, like this one, made in the USA, then we're going to have to take this apart and make a scale out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out a 6-inch scale. I'll remove this part first, and then I'm going to mill everything just perfect. So we'll get started on that now. So we're going to cut out a 6-inch long scale out of this, starting with the 0 right there. You see how far away we are. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take out the cutoff wheel and cut this long ways. So we're back with the finished product. I've deburred all the edges. It looks beautiful. We now have a straight scale, flat. And I want to go over something. I've wanted something like this for a long time. I've taken a brand new Milwaukee tape measure and cut out a scale, just clipped it. Here's what it looks like. I've used this for years because it's high visibility. The problem is this thing doesn't lay flat like all tape measures, they're curved. So it's not suitable for using it to scribe lines or to lay out cutting marks and things like that. So it's always left something to be desired. I finally have one that is much better than what you would see out on the market today with the chrome plated ones that have a lot of glare, especially in the bright lights. You can see that the yellow scale does not have that problem. Plus, it's flat like this scale. They're both flat, so they are suitable for scribing lines and marking pieces used as a straight edge. And the milling came out really nice. And it's extremely accurate. Finally got what I wanted. If you want one too, again, the link in the description for this Amazon listing is an affiliate link. But for $5 shipped, you can't go wrong. I think they're $5 because so many people are in fact complaining about the inaccuracy between this surface and the hash mark. I will also be making a 3-inch long scale and an 8-inch long scale. So I have 3 different scales, as well as read from right to left, and of course, the left to right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.